Hello and welcome to the Yellowtail Technology preparation course. My name is Christian and this is the walkthrough video for getting your computer prepared for the Build a Website in Under an Hour class. We'll go ahead and get started by going to aws.amazon.com. This is where we'll be creating our cloud resources for the cloud portion of the class. This is where your server will sit. There's a orange button that you should see over on the right hand corner of the web page. It'll say create an AWS account. Go ahead and click on that. And this will take you through a wizard asking for email address, password, account name. It will also ask you for a credit card. You will need to provide a valid credit card for this class. However, you will not be charged. And at the end of the class, if you so choose, I will walk you through how to delete your AWS account. It will also ask you for a support plan. Please select the basic plan. That plan is free for all AWS customers. Please do not select the developer or business plan. And once you've done that, please try to log into your AWS account prior to coming to class, so this way we know that you're able to get in. We'll need that later. After you're done with that, go ahead and click on open a new tab, go to cyberduck.io. There'll be a downloads option at the top of the page. Go ahead and select downloads, and that'll bring you to this page where you'll have an option to download either the Windows or Mac version. If you're on Windows, obviously Windows, Mac, obviously Mac. We'll go ahead and download that, and we'll come back to that later. Once that is complete, we'll go ahead and head over to a new tab or the same tab and select a new URL. We're going to go ahead and go to sublimetext.com. SublimeText is our editor. This is what we'll use to make some changes for our website. Go ahead and click the downloads button, and then you'll see that there's a Mac and Windows option. Select the appropriate one for your operating system. We'll go ahead and select Mac OS for this one and allow. So download Sublime Text, and you can see we have CyberDuck and Sublime Text now under our downloads. Finally, we'll go over to github.com. There will be a link provided in the handout document that you got when you signed up. Hopefully it has a hyperlink in there. If it doesn't, just carefully type out this URL into your browser window. It'll end in master.zip. This will download the files that we'll use for creating the website later during the class. So go ahead and type that in, hit enter. It will ask you to download that for both Windows or Mac. Windows or Mac, it'll do the same. Mac users, one thing to note, rather than downloading a zip file, it will actually extract that for you in your downloads folder, so you'll already have the folder extracted. Windows users, you will have a file as well. However, it will end in .zip. You'll need to download that. Finally, we need a picture for your website. You can take a picture, or you can go to unsplash.com, type in headshots, and select a random person for a headshot if you choose not to supply a headshot for your website yourself, by just typing in headshot there. And you can see that there's a number of individuals. These are real people who've uploaded a headshot for your use. It's free and open source. There's no royalty claims on this. Go ahead and select somebody on this page if you want, or use your own headshot. So as you can see, there's plenty of options. For my purposes, for this video, I'll go ahead and select this gentleman over here. He doesn't look as good as me, but he'll have to do for now. We'll go ahead and hit allow. That'll download. And now we have our headshot for our website for later. So we're done with that. We can go ahead and go over to our Finder for Mac. Windows users, this will be Start and then File Explorer or the folder icon on your taskbar. Either way, go ahead and open up your Finder or your Windows Explorer so that we can look at the files that we just downloaded under Downloads. So under Downloads, we'll see that we have all of our files that we've downloaded. Windows users, you'll double click on CyberDuck and Sublime Text to run through the installers as you would with other software that you would install on Windows. For Mac users, we'll simply drag both CyberDuck and Sublime Text over into the Applications folder, and that will install the applications for us. With that complete, we now have two files in here, our folder of our website content and then our headshot. We're going to go ahead and move these to the documents folder in a folder that we'll create called code. So we can simply go ahead and highlight both of those, and then we'll copy those. For Windows and Mac users, it will be the same. You can right click on the files and select copy. Let's go over to Documents folder, and we'll go ahead and right click in here and create a new folder. That's the same for both Windows and Mac, and we'll call that code. And then we can take our content that we copied previously in downloads. If you need to go back, that's fine, and highlight those and select them again. Select copy. And then we'll go back to downloads, or documents rather, and then code, and then right click and paste. And that's the same for both Windows and Mac users. Okay, with that, we are complete for the class, and you're prepared. Look forward to seeing you there. Take care.